Super excited. So this here just showed up today. Just came 2,500 miles from California. Somewhere around Sacramento. Tracy, California, I think. Now let's get it open. Oh, so far so good. Let's get that out of the box. Well, so far it's looking real good. Nothing's looking smashed. Man. Okay. It even came with 2 sets of RCA cables for going from one cassette deck to another for recording. And they're in mint condition. This came from an estate sale in California that somebody died. Okay. Now in the ad, it said the record switch was stuck. Okay. So whoever had it, whoever got it from the estate sale, they didn't know anything about cassette decks. Okay. They said the record switch was stuck. Well, a record switch only works when there's a cassette. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Okay, as far as it being stuck. None of them are stuck. Okay. They're all working perfectly. So, you know. But so far, it's really, really, really nice. Did you just hit stop, you stupid bastard? No, I don't think so. Okay. But yeah, all the cabinet screws are there. They're in mint condition, all the little plastic pieces. The cabinet is flawless. So, now, we're not going to plug nothing in till we take the top off. Because you don't want to damage nothing. Okay, so never ever just go plugging stuff in and pressing buttons. Don't never ever do that. So let's get this top off, get a look inside of it, see what's going on. All right, I'm the first person to be inside this deck, maybe ever. Okay. And I'm going to show you how I know this. All right. This motor right here. Look how clean and white the labels are. Okay. It still has the original seal on the motor from the factory. So this motor has never ever been adjusted for speed except for at the factory. Okay. This mechanism has never been taken out of here. These wires are still going underneath the main artery of wires. So this has never been taken apart, ever. Okay. It still has all original Loctite on every single screw. Okay. You can see the old belts have melted. Okay, they're stuck. So this probably happened about 20 years ago. Okay, so this will all need to come apart. All right, but it's all moving. Okay, so, but I'm gonna put a little Q-tip on that motor to get some of that rubber off of there before I put any power to it. And I want to put a drop of oil on the drive shaft. Okay, and tilt the unit up on its back so the motor can get a little bit of that oil inside that bearing in there. Okay, so once I get that done, then I can put a little power to it But so far, this is pretty amazing. So it's going to be a lot of work as usual, but that's why I do this. Yeah, that's nice, man. Rubber bushings and everything on the motor. Oh yeah, I can't wait to put some power to this bad boy. If I start that motor up, it's going to fling that rubber all over the place. And you don't want to do that. Okay, that would be bad. So you don't want to get that shit all over the place. So let me get a Q-tip, some alcohol, clean this thing up. Get a little oil in that bearing there. And then we can give it some power. So